Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I'm gonna do my friend's makeup using the new Juvia's palette, The Berries by Juvia. So just stay tuned to see how I create the look. I don't really know what I'm about to do. I'm just about to make it, so it's gonna look cute, period. Okay, first I'm about to just start off by doing her eyebrows. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to fill in her brows. I'm not going to try and make them too dark. I'm going to make them a little light just because she was going for more of a natural look with her eyebrows. And once I'm done filling in her brows, I'm going to take this mixture that I made of different concealers to match her skin color and just conceal her eyebrows. I mixed one of my LA Girl concealers. It was in the shade Toffee, and then I mixed this Makeup Forever foundation that I had that I used to use as concealer. I don't know the exact shade because it was just a sample size. Taking that mixture I created and a little bit of my P. Louise eyeshadow base, I'm just going to use that to set her eyelids. And then I'm going to set her eyelids with my LA Girl Pro finishing powder. Going in with the Berries palette, I'm going to take this light pink shade right there, and I'm just going to place that just below her brow bone. Now I'm just going to cut her crease using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 0. Also, a tip for cutting the crease, you don't want to use too much product on the brush. Like, you don't want to have too much product on the brush when you're trying to cut the crease, because if you leave that much product on the brush, it'll cause your eyelid to crease easily. So you want to try and dab as much product off of your brush as you can when you're trying to make a precise cut crease. Once I was done cutting the crease, I didn't put any setting powder on her eyelid. I just let the product dry on her eye. Next, I'll be going in with the first shimmer shade in the palette. It's on the top row. It's the last shade on the right, and it's a light pink shimmer shade. I'm going to use that in the front, and then I'll be using the second pink shimmer shade in the palette, and that shimmer shade is in the second row. That shimmer shade is a little bit darker than the first shimmer shade towards her inner to mid eyelid, so I'm going to use that darker shimmer shade on her mid eyelid, and I'll be transitioning to the plum color in the eyeshadow palette as well to deepen up the look at the tail of her lid. And you'll see me holding my James Charles palette, and that's just because I was just using the black to deepen up the plum color at the tail of her eyelid. I didn't use any other shade in that palette except for the black one. And next I'll be taking my matte Milani eyeliner and just lining her eyelid. I'm not going to create a wing, I'm just going to create a wing effect. And once I'm done using the eyeliner to create the wing effect, I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and some black eyeshadow and just go over the eyeliner with the black eyeshadow to make the eyeliner matte. And now that the eye look is done, I'm just going to clean her up and put some lashes on her. Now I'm just going to blend out the concealer above her eyebrow. And this is the finished look. She on her phone taking some pictures, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this look as much as I did. I just had fun with it. I didn't really know what I was going to do at first, but I do love the way the eyeshadow look came out, and I love this palette. Although it does have a lot of fallout, it's still a great palette. I like it. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'll be coming back to you guys with another tutorial on my friend again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.